Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. If you guys have a BMW and a code, engine light on and a code such as P0056, this one relates to oxygen sensor, bank 2, sensor 2 guys. Stay with us, we'll show you how to solve that problem, what's causing the problem. We'll share guys all the tools, parts that we use in the description of the video below and see where you can get new oxygen sensor and the scanner that we're using and the tools, all that stuff guys. This procedure should work on a BMW E46 from 1998 to year 2006 E46 3 Series. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So, let's start on the process now. So, I'll go inside now guys. Okay, and we're about to start the car so I can show you how engine light is on. Okay, you can definitely see guys the engine light being on. Okay, right there. So definitely a problem. Now what I'll do, I'll turn the engine off, turn the ignition on only. This is the scanner that we'll be using. You can find it listed in the description of the video below. Really affordable and very powerful scanner for what you can do. You can use it excuse me, on any car, not just BMW. You can read and delete engine codes, ABS codes, brake codes, traction control, also airbag codes, register batteries, electronic parking brake, gear warning, quite a few things guys. DPF function for the diesel engines, steering angle sensor assist, TPMS, quite a bit of helpful information. We'll go under OBD here now. It's going to connect guys. Again, as I said, we'll have more than 200 videos on E46 guys. Please subscribe, quite a bit of helpful information will be shared on this channel guys, so we can save you as much money as we can. You can see it's linking to the vehicle now, so it may take just a little bit of time for the process to complete. Okay, almost there now. And it's going to give us a little bit of a table here. Tell us how many codes we have. Codes found, one code. We'll click OK. Then we're going to select, you may want to select both of those modules and see, make sure that you don't have any additional codes. Read codes, stored codes, and what we have guys? P0056 heater control circuit, bank 2, sensor 2. So, definitely guys a problem with sensor 2. Okay, sensor 2 means that it's after the catalytic converter. If it says sensor 1, or upstream oxygen sensor, this means that it's before the catalytic converter. If it says sensor 2 or downstream sensor, it means it's after the catalytic converter. Bank 2, since this is a 6-cylinder engine, it means that it's the one for cylinders 4, 5 and 6. And we'll go back and I can show you guys how we're going to test it now. We'll go under live data and we're going to go here while it's connecting. You have two sensors, oxygen sensors, that are after the catalytic converter on this 6-cylinder engine. And these sensors guys will be the one, okay, one will be called bank 1 sensor 2 and bank 2 sensor 2. Both of those should give about the same parameters when the vehicle is running. Okay, they may differ a little bit but not much. And if one of them is completely different and not changing, it means that it's bad. And we can compare both of them and actually show you if that's the case. Okay, if that's the case in our situation here. Bank 2 sensor 2, bank 1 sensor 2. We see view data. I'm going to go ahead, start the car. What is happening now? You might want to wait a little bit guys. Okay, you may want to wait a little bit for the engine to warm up. Give it 5-10 minutes if it's a cold engine, because those are past the catalytic converters and they may not start working until the engine is warmed up. And you can see ours right now, both of them are staying about the same. Okay, the problem that we have is with the first one. And okay, one of them started climbing a little bit, the other one that we have the code for, it's still the same. You will see once they warm up guys. Okay, I'll give it more gas. Once they warm up, they should be active, okay? And one of them is not. This one is not active at all. So definitely guys, a bad sensor there. You can see how bank 1 sensor 2 is working, bank 2 sensor 2 is not. And you can actually go under graphs and you can see the graphs for each one of them. You can compare and all that stuff and see if they work or they don't. Okay, we can see one of them working, the other one not. you can see them one side by side, and all that stuff could be shared here, guys. So pretty helpful, guys, information right here. Okay, let me see if I can select this one now. So check it out now, guys. All that stuff gives you more control over things here, that you can see how things perform. Now what I will do, okay, I'm going to turn the car off and we'll show you how to fix the problem now. So looking at the engine on this BMW now, here we have the hood open. I removed the cover. This is the cover for the oxygen sensor connectors and the fuel injectors here as well. This is the cover, guys, right here. So we removed it. You have only 2 caps, and under those caps you have 2 bolts that you need to remove. I also removed the ignition coil cover so I can show you where things are. Now bank 1, guys, okay, bank 1 is cylinder 1, 2 and 3, the first half of the engine. Bank 2 is the second half of the engine. This one will be sensor 4, 5 and 6. And right here, guys, okay, upstream oxygen sensors, the one before the catalytic converter will be right here, one here and one over there. The one after the catalytic converter there under the vehicle, guys. And the tools that we use to remove them, okay, this is a oxygen sensor socket. You can find, guys, in the description of the video below. We'll have the socket listed in the description of the video, plus we'll have the new sensors and where we buy them from listed as well. And some people will replace both of them, some just replace the one that's bad. I've done both cases, so it really depends, but I'll recommend probably to go with both of them. So the one that you're looking at now, they go towards the back of the engine, is the one with the gray, okay, that gray wire that's coming right here and going out. Okay, this is, guys, oxygen sensor bank 2, sensor 2. This one here, it goes towards the back, and under the vehicle you can check it out. Now today's video is about see if we can fix it with replacing it, and the code will be gone. If you want to see the whole replacement video, we'll have a video that will summarize how to replace all 4 oxygen sensors, so please check it out. So we'll go ahead and replace it now and see if that takes care of the problem. So I'm inside the car. What I'll do now, guys, okay, we're going to start it again. Okay, I will have the scanner here. You can go ahead and delete the codes, that's recommended to do. What I'll do, I'll just go to the custom list quick to see if the new sensor is performing now. But you can definitely go ahead and clear the code so you can turn your engine light off now. Okay, this is one of them. This is the other one, guys. Okay, right there, both of them. So I'll click view data. Okay, and now the scanner is not connected because we had the ignition off for a long time. It just connected, and it takes a little bit of time, okay, for everything to come back because the ignition was off. So you might want to reconnect your scanner if that occurs to you. If not, okay, just wait, they will pop. And you can see both of them are working now, guys. Both of them are showing good numbers here. Okay, definitely, guys, big improvement. Okay, if I rev it up, okay, you can see that both sensors work like they should. So that definitely took care of the problem, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.